We're gonna try and go after crappie today. Probably gotta be 10 inches to keep. So all these little trees here in this cove tend to have pretty decent crappie, and it's a little bit out of the wind, which helped tonight because it's a little windy. So come with me, and we got the boat out today, so we'll see how we go. I'm gonna actually throw this one to my right here. So I'm gonna throw one under a float with a jig head. We're gonna hook up this rod with a minnow. Alright, so I have the camera off for that one, which is a bummer, but a little crappie. Through the back. And let's give that another try. Yep. Alright. Smaller one. Alright, a readjusted weight. Oh, we had one already. Readjust my depth. So we're down about, say, 5 feet now. I'm just going next to these trees right out here. Just kind of watching that bobber. He was doing a slow sink, so something had just taken it. There we go. There we go. Feels better. What are we dealing with here? Might be catfish. It's almost what it's feeling like, catfish. It is a catfish. Alright, well, it's not a bad looking channel. We're getting a fish on this other line. That bobber's moving. Oh, definitely missed that one. This feels like a better one. Well, I'm not sure that that'll keep, but we're getting closer. Still think we're a little small. Kind of looked like it's getting played with. Yeah, it is. Oh, we missed it. That's a hit. That's a hit. There it is. This sucker is about 7 inches, maybe. I just realized I've got the one battery, and we're getting close to being too low to film, so this is going to be a bummer, but we'll film what we can, and then we'll do a bit of an outro and an update when I head out. Probably be a little dark, but we'll do it in the headlights. We'll see what we can fish. So probably just going to do a bunch of cut shots to when I'm reeling fish in. Try and conserve as much battery as possible. All right, guys, that's about going to do it. Ended up probably about 15 or 20 crappie, all of them too small to keep, and 2 channel catfish. Once the camera died, I caught another one that was a little smaller than the first one. About to drive out, and we will see if I can't find a bunny here on these back dirt roads. And if I can, maybe we'll get a little rabbit for dinner. So I'll let y'all know how it goes.